Welcome to Simplified Loader Template, the Getting Started run-through. In this video tutorial, we'll look at how to get started with Simplified Loader Template. There are two prerequisites needed to use the Simplified Loader Template. One is the template itself, and second, your company-specific connection URL, company code, and passcode. Once you have this information, you're all set to go. Okay, let's get started. We're going to make use of the contracts template for this run-through. First off, we will double-click on the template file to open it. Every Simplified Loader file comes with a toolbar called Simplified Loader. The toolbar contains template-specific actions and actions that are applicable to all templates. The common functionalities include actions like log in, log out, lookup values, and version and connection setup. When you receive the template from Simplified Loader support, the connection details are not set up. Therefore, if the user tries to perform an action without setting up the connection, the user will receive an error message. To test, I will click on the Login button. This displays a message saying, "Unable to find any environments. Please use the connection setup option to set up the environments." All right, as the message suggests, let's set up the connection details using the information provided by Simplified Loader support. To configure a template, click on the Version and Connection Setup button. The last section in Version and Connection Setup area is Refresh Environment List. In the Connection URL field, we will enter the connection URL that we received from Simplified Loader customer support. In the Company Code field, enter the company code received from Simplified Loader support. Note that the value in the company code field is case sensitive. Therefore, please ensure to enter the company code value in the same format as received from the Simplified Loader support. For the trial version, the company code will have a prefix of trial, followed by the name of your company. As we see in this case, the name of this company is ABC, followed by the name of the template. As this run-through uses the contract template, that's why the company code has the contract suffix. After the company code, we need to enter the passcode, 123456. Now click on the Refresh Environment List button. Great, it works. We get the message, "Successfully refreshed the list of environments." Let's acknowledge the message and validate the result of the action we performed. To verify the refresh action, we go to the Login screen and review the list of available environments. Perfect. Now we see Dev 1, Dev 2, Test, and Live environments listed in the LOV. Once you select an environment, you can view the login URL of that environment. Setting up the environments is a one-time activity. After setting up the environment, the user needs to save the Excel template. The Save action saves environment details. When the user shares a Simplified Loader template through email or a network drive, the template gets shared with the environment list. Therefore, receivers of the template user do not need to configure the Simplified Loader template again. That's all for this run-through. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the demo of getting started with Simplified Loader. Simplified Loader templates are used for all your data migration activity or day-to-day business activities. If you have any questions, then please drop us an email using the address support@simplifiedloader.com, or if you prefer, leave a comment here with your question. Thank you.